Area that suffered severe flooding during Dorian was Elizabeth City. Residents spent the week stocking up on sandbags to help protect their homes.
But as you can see from this video, the high water inundated the city quickly. 10 Your Side's Geena Arevalo has been tracking conditions all day long. So what is it like where you are now?
Hey guys, well, about 7 inches of rain fell today on Elizabeth City. A lot of rain for any place, but especially here because it's so low lying. This intersection behind me was actually a lot more full of water earlier today. Where I'm standing was full of water, so we were a bit further away. They've got this road blocked off right now because of flooded streets like that. And down there's a tree that's blocking the roadway, and that is a lot of what they're seeing here in this area. It was a tense morning for folks in Elizabeth City as Hurricane Dorian made its arrival Friday.
It was real bad. I'm talking about the trees was leaning, trees falling, power lines, everything. Our power when we went out. I was scared.
Heavy rain pelted the area, filling streets with water. We saw several motorists turn around at Flora Street and Riverside Avenue, but just as many drivers decided to chance it and drove through anyway. High winds took down trees and even street signs in the storm's path. Michael Sutton and his 96-year-old mother had a close call while watching the hurricane from their living room.
I came back and my mother said, "Look at there," because I was watching it first and was leaning. So when I came back, it fell all the way down.
Their neighbor's tree uprooted and fell toward the home, just inches away from causing damage. Power lines came down with it.
One of the biggest problems we're experiencing right now, we have numerous downed trees throughout the city. A lot of those trees are across city roadways and also have power lines in them.
An estimated 20,000 customers from various electric companies in Elizabeth City and Pasquotank and Camden counties lost power during the storm. City Manager Rich Olson tells 10 on Your Side about 6,000 of those are with Elizabeth City Electric.
We have a number of substations that are presently down. We're working on those, get them up and operational. We do have crews in from Rocky Mount, Tarboro, Wilson, and Greenville right now helping us out to restore power.
And crews are working around the clock to get those lights back on for everybody out here. We're also told that the evacuation order that was put in place yesterday for Zone A should be lifted tomorrow. Reporting live in Elizabeth City, Geena Arevalo, 10 on Your Side.